Wild Alaska seafood is nutrient-dense and contains protein, healthy fats, critical vitamins like B12, minerals, and antioxidants like selenium. Many of the vital nutrients in Alaska seafood are not often found in other foods and are often lacking from the average person's diet. Seafood is known for abundant levels of the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which can be found in wild Alaska salmon, sablefish, herring, and crab. Though many forms of omega-3s exist, DHA and EPA are the easiest to process. EPA and DHA are found in every cell in our bodies and are beneficial to our heart, brain, eyes, and digestive system. They also play a pivotal role in regulating inflammation, which can prevent a wide variety of short-term and long-term health problems. To learn more about the benefits of Alaska seafood, visit alaskaseafood.org.